Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make bootable USB on a Mac. For this video, I'm going to use an ISO for Debian 11. You can use this with any other Linux distribution as long as your ISO is under 4 GB. To begin, I'm going to list my disks. And as you can see right now, I only have these two. Then I'm going to go ahead and plug in my USB, and I will run the same command again, and that way we'll be sure that this is our new disk. I like to always do that just in case, if you have more than one disks, so you know which is the disk that you just plugged in, right? If you have multiple USBs, you want to make sure that you delete the right one, right? So the next thing we're going to do now that we know that the disk that we want to use is dev disk 2 is we're going to go ahead and erase that disk. So we're going to run sudo diskutil erase disk. We're going to do it in FAT32, and we can just call it USB, and the path to it is dev disk 2. I want to make sure again that you don't have anything of value on that disk, because this would totally destroy it. Go ahead and run the command. It's going to take a few seconds here. Alright, now that our disk is all deleted, we can go ahead and unmount it. So we're going to run sudo diskutil unmount disk dev disk 2. Now that the disk is unmounted, we can go ahead and copy our ISO onto it. Now I've already downloaded mine, so as you can see I have ISO for Debian 11. You can use any other ISO to do this, again, as long as it is under 4 GB. To do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sudo dd space if equals, and then I'm going to give it the name of the ISO, right? And then I'm going to give it my destination, dev disk 2. And for block size, I'm going to use 1 MB. And this is going to take a few minutes, again, depending on the size that you are copying, but usually it takes a couple of minutes. All right, now that it's done, you're going to see this error, and it's because the Mac doesn't know how to read the new file system. But you can just go ahead, click and eject. You can pull out your USB, and it is all ready. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. If you liked it, please click on the like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe for my channel.